हाय फ्रेंड्स, वर्षा's वर्सेटाइल चैनल में आप सबका स्वागत है। I wish you all a happy Valentine's Day. Everyone loves chocolate brownies. They are comforting, delicious and chocolatey. In this video, we are going to prepare eggless, fudgy, chocolatey walnut brownies. Now, let's get into the video. Before we do the preparation, let's gather the ingredients for it. Butter salted 1.5 tablespoon or 22 grams, dark chocolate 30 grams, sugar powdered 2 tablespoon, vanilla powder 1 teaspoon or essence a few drops, all-purpose flour 4.5 tablespoon or 35 grams, walnut halves or sliced 2 tablespoon, chocolate chips 2 tablespoon and butter paper. In a bowl, add dark chocolate 30 grams with salted butter 1.5 tablespoon. Fill a small saucepan about 1/4 quantity of water and boil it. Then set the bowl on top so it rests on the rim of the pan, not touching the water. Put over a low heat until the butter and chocolate have melted, stirring occasionally to mix them. When the butter and chocolate mixture have melted completely, leave them to cool to room temperature. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder, 1 cup of refined flour, 1 tablespoon of sliced walnuts, 1 tablespoon of choco chips into the mixture. Pour 2 tablespoons of milk and combine well to get a thick mixture. Gently fold all the ingredients till they are well combined. Don't over mix it. Now the batter is ready. Pour the batter into the greased tin and spread it evenly. Tap the cake tin to remove air bubbles. Sprinkle walnut halves and choco chips to enhance the taste as a topping before baking. Preheat the pan with the lid covered 15 minutes before baking the brownie. Keep the baking tray inside the pan and cover with the lid. Bake till the top is dry and edges have started to pull away from the sides of the tray for about 45 to 50 minutes. Remove the lid and check whether the brownie is ready. Insert a toothpick or knife to see if it comes out clean. Remove the cake tin from the pan and allow it to cool completely. Slice them into square shape and serve with vanilla ice cream. Enjoy the gooey, fudgy, chocolatey walnut brownie with vanilla ice cream. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है तो सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलिए. Please give a big like, comment below and share with your friends and relatives. Thanks for joining me viewers. मुझे आशा है आपको ये वीडियो बहुत ही पसंद आया होगा. I shall meet you with another recipe in my next video. Till then, happy cooking!